Hello and welcome back to the Data Pinch, a series of bite-sized videos on all things data, so that you can start your week with a pinch of data. My name is Ba Thien and I'm a customer data architect here at Y42, and today's video will be about data modeling, why it's important and what it is. Data modeling is the art and science of transforming raw data into human-readable metrics that reflect the performance of your business. Through the data transformation process, you build a path from raw data to use cases where people solve issues with the help of reports, data transformation flows and automations, as well as exploratory analyses. The thing is, if you don't have data modeling in place, you would have to directly access your data every time you want to create a report or generate insights. And honestly, this can become really tricky. If multiple people work with the same raw data and create their reports on top of it, then they would constantly be recreating internal business logic and conditions. That would eventually mean that they create incoherent metrics, outcomes, and worst case, misleading business insights. Just think about how many definitions of revenue are out there and how each of your analysts would take their own definition to create their reports. On top of that, you would be wasting a lot of time and money by having each of your analysts run the same task over and over again. So in order to not waste time, money, and other valuable resources, transforming your data into meaningful tables that can be reused is key. It also gives you a bird's eye view on your data lineage, allowing you to stay on top of your table structure and capture bugs and errors immediately. Plus, cleaning and merging your data makes it a lot easier for you to create a single source of truth. And if you do the table prepping once, you don't have to do it again whenever you create a report. If you want to achieve the same and learn more about data modeling, we've created an in-depth guide on data modeling best practices. You can just check out the link above. Thanks for watching.